Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you guys how to actually claim your 5 million Hamster Kombat points. I did a video yesterday where I show you guys how I claimed 10 million Hamster Kombat points. I claimed twice, right? So in this video today I'm going to be showing you again how to do that today. Now guys, if you're just watching this video now, please do well to put this into action. Replicate everything I'm going to show you in this video on your own Hamster Kombat, and you're going to claim 5 million points with ease. All right, before I get started, I want to tell you guys, if you love videos like this, if you're a crypto farmer, you love videos about how to make money, please do well to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, for I bring you guys juicy content as regarding to how to make money and every other crypto idea. Now let's get deep into my YouTube channel. Let me show you guys how to get started. So first off, you go to your Telegram and search for Hamster Kombat, right? Since this video is about Hamster Kombat, we're going to be using Hamster Kombat for this tutorial. So this is my Hamster Kombat. So you're going to click on that, wait for it to load. So while it's loading, all right, so I'm going to tell you guys to follow this process from start to finish, right? Follow this process from start to finish so you don't miss out on any step, right? So first of all, I'm going to go to mine. You see this mine is down here, so hit on the mine. Now what we're going to do here is that we're going to look for these 3 cards, right? We're going to be looking for these 3 missing cards. Now first, remember I said go to mine is the down part, the second icon in the down part of your screen. You see this mine with an axe. Now we're going to be looking for these 3 missing cards. This first card, second card, and the third card, right? These cards are missing, so we're going to be looking for the card in this video. Now watch this video to the last so I show you guys how to get the card. So I think for real that the first card is going to be on the legal, right? So guys, you click on the legal and you try to look for it, right? I'm just thinking, never, it cannot be in any of this country. UAE cannot be there. I'm thinking it's on this KYB. What do you guys think? Ooh, this is this is the moment I get so tense. But I think for real, for a fact, it's going to be on this KYB, right? So I'm going to be risking it. I'm going to be risking this KYB coin. So guys, you hit on that. Let's see what will happen. All right, this is me risking it. My instinct is telling me it's going to be on the KYB coins, right? And trust me, like I keep saying, so we follow my instinct, right? So we're going to use that KYB. Let's see how it goes. All right, seriously, at this point I'm feeling tense already. Okay guys, it's loading. Boom. I told you guys that my instincts are always right. So I've gotten the first card. The second card now is what we're going to be looking for. All right, I haven't gotten this first card. The second card. Okay, let's take one step backward. Let's go to the PR and theme. All right, let's slide backward. I think we should be looking at the PR and theme. What do you guys think? Please do well to share the comments. Do well to share your opinion in the comment section down below. Whereas me personally, I follow my instinct. I think we should go one step backward. Let's look at PR and theme. Okay, we're in PR and theme now. Let's scroll down a bit. I think I've seen this coin telegraph before. I've seen Hamster book before. I've seen support theme. I think I used support theme yesterday. I used X yesterday. The idea now is that this is looking like something that lies between coin telegraph and Hamster tube. All right, so I think it's between coin telegraph and Hamster tube, but I'm afraid I'm not going to be risking coin telegraph. Rather, I would feel so proud if I follow Hamster tube. So guys, I'll be going for Hamster tube. Okay guys, like I said, I'll be following my instincts. I'll be going for Hamster tube. All right, let's try that out. Ooh, okay, I just click on Hamster tube, wait for it to open. Okay guys, I'm going to be risking 2,240 coin. Okay, let's wait for it. Boom, I just got second one. Guys, this is fun. It's looking fun already. Okay guys, so we're left to the last card. All right, so the last card, like I said, let's take one step backward. Now, this is actually very tactical. You must actually understand this and you must follow my step. Guys, if you miss out, believe me, you're going to lose a whole lot of points. You're going to lose a whole lot of points. Definitely, I think it's not here. So let's go one step backward, like we did, one step backward. Yesterday, I talked about special. I think all throughout yesterday, we were using special. So today, I think we just take one step backward, one step backward. So while in the market, let's scroll down. Nah. You can't be in any of these ones. Of course, so many options are not open already. So I think we have 3 options here. We have prediction market, we have Dow. I can't risk 14,000 for Dow. I can't risk 14,000 for prediction market. I can't risk nah. And I can also risk 8,500 for Dow. Nah, I can't. These guys won't even do that. Okay, I think P2P trading is looking all good, right? P2P trading looks good already, so I think I'll go for it. All right, I go for P2P trading. Let's go for it. All right, so guys, this is what I'm going for. I'm following my instincts, like I keep saying. All right, so I just click on go ahead and see what will happen. All right, so guys, first remember, go to market. Remember, it's market, the last one. P2P trading, I take that again. Market and P2P trade, that's the last card. That's what I'm going for. So guys, I go ahead, hold on, boom. Guys, this is looking so sweet, guys. So I just unlocked the 3 cards. So if you want to do this, guys, replicate this on your account and you're going to get similar results. Guys, please don't mix this up. Like I keep saying, watch this from start to finish. Watch this carefully. If you have done any mistake, make sure to rewind back and make sure to watch all over again. Follow all the steps, guys. Don't waste your coin. Don't waste your coin doing trial and error, right? Don't waste your coin doing trial and error. Do well to follow every step I put into this video. That's why I had to do a live video, so you understand how everything works. Do well to follow the video, guys. Don't do trial and error. Follow the video accordingly so that you don't make mistake and end up wasting your coin. So guys, if you love videos like this, do well to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get value. And first off, I post videos like this as regarding cryptocurrency and how to make money. Now let me take screenshots so I show on my WhatsApp. So guys, if you want to actually make money, do well to subscribe to this channel. Stay glued to this channel. I post content here almost every day. So guys, follow this channel. Do well to subscribe, share, and drop your opinion in the comment section down below. I always reply to almost all the comments, guys. See you guys in the next video. Signing out. Peace.